Meanwhile, the head of the AIC Church in Kenya, Abraham Mulwa, is asking national leaders to embrace dialogue and shun comments that could elicit animosity and scuttle the ongoing dialogue in the country. Speaking during a graduation ceremony of over 400 Christian Education Department students at the AIC Pipeline Church, the AIC presiding bishop urged the opposition to give the government a chance to correct challenges bedeviling the country. The statement comes as the National Dialogue Committee prepares for another round of talks Monday next week after members of the public submitted their memoranda to the talks team.
To encourage that dialogue so that we emerge as one nation very strong. Yeah, and that will be very good for the nation and the people of the Republic of Kenya. Also tunaomba wananchi pia na wao waweze kupatia serikali na wale wanaofanya dialogue either in the government or in the opposition tuwape muda so that they come up with a good formula for this nation.
Kama kanisa limesimama na kuwa pamoja hivi, ni kielelezo kwa hata viongozi wetu wa nchi, tujue ya kwamba wakati tunapokaa pamoja, nchi itakuwa na amani, itakuwa na uwiano na hakuna kitu ambacho kitaleta shida.
Wanapoleta mafunzo haya katika makanisa, hakika yanaleta watu pamoja, yanaleta makanisa pamoja, na zaidi ya yote watu wanapata fursa ya kujifunza neno la Mungu.
Making the right choice is being yourself, na coming to church, praying, joining other youth.
My message to the other youths out there is that being close to God and doing the right things puts you in the right places with the right people.
A section of teachers could have been locked